Hola, buenas tardes. Mi nombre es Ryesha. Yo tengo 18 años. Today I am here to talk about my experience as a Spanish speaking student in Miss Thompson's class at high school and my preparation for CXC Spanish. As a student, I sat in the class and I learned a lot through all of Miss Thompson's teaching. She is very punctual, she has a lot of integrity, and she goes the extra miles. She goes more than what a teacher should do for her student, just to make sure that we understand and that we all would pass the subject. She would come in the class, and most of the times we would draw for our textbook, and we do a lot of activities, both oral and written. And for the rest of the time, she'll just give us activities on the board. There is never a time that we have class and Miss Thompson did not provide a vocabulary for us. And she will help us to understand, and wherever we fall short, she will help us also. She will make sure that at the end of the day, everything was clear and everyone was on the same page. And because of her knowledge and the hard work that she had imparted in me, I have decided to major in Spanish also. And presently, I am a student at the Bethlehem Moravian College over in St. Elizabeth, where I am a Spanish major and an English minor, all thanks to Miss Thompson. Adios. Tenga buen día.